Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to recover lost crypto wallet seed phrase. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret way to recover any lost seed phrase, then here's what you should know. The truth is, if you've completely lost your wallet's seed phrase and have no backup, then there is generally no legitimate way to recover it. The seed phrase is designed to be the only recovery method for most self-custody crypto wallets. So before assuming it's lost forever, carefully check any secure location where you may have stored a written copy or a backup. And if you still have access to the wallet on one of your devices, then create a new wallet, securely back up its new seed phrase, and transfer your funds before you lose device access. So that was what you need to know about recovering a lost crypto wallet seed phrase. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.